Hello everyone, in this video I will review Paperpal. Paperpal is an AI writing tool made mainly for students and researchers to improve academic writing. It helps with grammar correction, paraphrasing, and rewriting sentences in a clearer and more formal style. The tool also checks tone and readability so that research papers sound professional and easy to understand. One of its standout features is Chat PDF, where you can upload a PDF of research papers or notes and ask questions to get instant answers. Paperpal also supports citation help by finding real references, generating them in different styles and formatting them correctly. The software works on the web and also connects with MS Word, Google Docs, and Overleaf, making it convenient to use in different places. Paperpal has a free plan with limited features and a paid Prime version with advanced tools and more usage. It offers a free plan for $0 and a Prime plan for $11.7. It is especially good at handling technical vocabulary without changing the meaning. Some users, however, feel the plagiarism checker has limits, especially for long documents. The PDF tools are also a bit basic compared to dedicated PDF apps. You can start using it by choosing your current role and field of study. Sign up on the Paperpal website or add its extension in Word, Google Docs, or Overleaf. Then upload or paste your writing or open your document directly in the tool. Let Paperpal check grammar, style, clarity, and citations, then apply the suggestions to improve your draft. Still, for students, researchers, and non-native English writers, Paperpal can save a lot of time and improve writing quality. Overall, it is a strong tool for anyone working on academic or research writing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.